హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన అబ్రివేషన్స్ని ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా చూద్దాం. ఇవి ఆల్ఫాబెటిక్ వైజ్గా ఏ నుండి జెడ్ వరకు ఉంటాయి. ముందుగా ఏబిఎం యాంటీ బ్లాస్టిక్ మిసైల్, ఏడిబి ఏషియన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ బ్యాంక్, ఏఈసి అటామిక్ ఎనర్జీ కమిషన్, ఏఐసిటిఈ ఆల్ ఇండియా కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నికల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్, ఎయిమ్స్ ఆల్ ఇండియా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ మెడికల్ సైన్స్, ALP Advanced Light Helicopter, Apple Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment, Asian Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ATM Automated Teller Machine, AU African Union. Next B. Balco Bharat Aluminium Company Limited, BARC Baba Atomic Research Center, BBC British Broadcasting Corporation, BCCI Board of Control for Cricket in India, Bell Bharat Electronic Limited, BHEL Bharat Heavy Electronic Limited, BSF Border Security Force. Next C. CAG Controller and Auditor General of India, CAT Center for Advanced Technology, CID Criminal Investigation Department, CBDT Central Board of Director Taxes, CBI Central Bureau of Investigation, CCMB Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CFC Chlorofluorocarbons, CIA Central Intelligence Agency, CIDS Chief of Integrated Defense Staff, CPC Criminal Procedure Code, CRPF Central Reserve Police Force, CSIR Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CTBT Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. Next D. DDT Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, DNA Deoxyribonucleic Acid, DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization, DTP Desktop Publishing. Next E. ECB European Central Bank, ECG Electrocardiogram, EPZ Export Processing Zone, ESA European Space Agency, EU European Union, EVM Electronic Voting Machine. Next F. FAO Food and Agriculture Organization, FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBTR Fast Breeder Text Reactor, FCI Food Corporation of India, FEMA Foreign Exchange Management Act, FERA Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, FICCI Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FIDE Federation of International Desk Exchange, FIFA Federation International Football Association, FN Field Marshal Frequency Module. Next G. GAIL Gas Authority of India, GTT General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATE Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, GDP Gross Domestic Product, GDR Global Depository Receipt, GIS Global Imaging System. Next H. HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HDI Human Development Index, HDFC Housing Department Finance Corporation, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HPCL Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next I. IAEA International Atomic Energy Agency, IARI Indian Agriculture Research Institute, IAVA International AIDS Vaccine Initiative, IPRD International Bank of Reconstruction and Development, ICAR Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ICICI Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICRISAT International Crop Research Institute of Semi-Arid Tropics, IDBI Industrial Development Bank of India, IGNOU Indira Gandhi National Open University, IISCO Indian Iron and Steel Company, IIT Indian Institute of Technology, IIIT Indian Institute of Information Technology, IIM Indian Institute of Management, ILO International Labour Organization, IMSA International Medical Science Academy, INSAT Indian National Satellite System, IPS Indian Police Service, ISI International Service Intelligence, ISRO Indian Space Research Organization, IVR Interactive Voice Response. Next L. LCA Light Combat Aircraft, LCV Light Commercial Vehicle, LCD Liquid Crystal Display, LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India, LPG Liquid Petroleum Gas. Next M. MPLADS Member of the Parliament Local Area Development Scheme, MTNL Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. Next N. NABARD National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, NAFAT North American Free Trade Agreement, NAM Non-Aligned Movement, NASA National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NEEM National Elementary Education Mission, NEFA Northeast Frontier Agency, NFC Nuclear Fuel Complex, NGO Non-Governmental Organization, NHRC National Human Rights Commission, NHAI National Highway Authority of India, NIC National Informatics Center, NEET National Institute of Information Technology, NJC National Judicial Council, NLM National Literacy Mission, NMDC National Mineral Development Corporation, NPT Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, NRI Non-Resident Indian, NSS National Sample Survey, NTPC National Thermal Power Corporation. Next O. OIC Indian Oil Corporation, ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Next P. PhD Doctor of Philosophy, PIN Postal Index Number, PDS Public Distribution System, PMEGP Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, PSU Public Sector Undertaking. Next R. Radar Radio Detection and Ranking, RAW Research and Analysis Wing, RNA Ribonucleic Acid. Next S. SEBI Security and Exchange Board of India, Sensex Sensitive Index of Share Price, SEJ Special Economic Zone, SDRC State Disaster Relief Commission, SDR Special Drawing Rights, SMS Short Message Service. Next T. TISCO Tata Iron and Steel Company, TRAI Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRISEM Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment, UGC University Grants Commission, UK United Kingdom, ULFA United Liberatory Front of Assam, UPSC Union Public Service Commission. Next, VAT Value Added Tax, VRS Voluntary Retirement Scheme, WISE World Institute of Sustainable Energy, WTO World Trade Organization. ఓకే, మీరు ఇంతవరకు చూసిన అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ నుండి 90% వరకు ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో అడగడం జరిగింది. కాబట్టి మీరు ఇవి నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఓకే అండి, మీకు ఈ వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ కోసం తెలుగు స్టడీస్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ వీడియోలు మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో కావాలంటే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ట్యాప్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.